In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Slide Master. The Slide Master is a very useful tool, particularly as we're looking at our repetition and consistency principles. What we're able to do with the Slide Master is go into the back end and change the master layout, which will then be replicated on any slide that uses that layout. We'll find the Slide Master appears in many of our tools and is usually found in the ribbon. In PowerPoint, we'll click on View and then click on Slide Master. In the back, what we'll see is we'll have one master layout. Now, the way this works is that this is the master layout, and any change that we make on this layout will be copied down to all the subsequent layouts. We can see that these are all connected by this dotted line. So, for instance, if we wanted to make this text all red every time it appears within our layout, we'll do that, and you'll see that it's changed red on subsequent slides. If instead what we wanted to do is we only wanted on our title and content slide to have it red, we will click on that particular layout. So you'll see I'm clicked on that layout and click on red. And we'll see that it only has changed it on that particular layout. The rest of them have remained in black. As you're working through your PowerPoint assignment, you'll see that you'll have an opportunity to make several changes. And those changes are best done first through the Slide Master. So for instance, if we decide that we want to build a navigation and add a button, we would do it through the Slide Master so that it would be in the same location on every slide.